Hi everybody, my name is Chris, and welcome to the first episode of Chris Cut Circuit Computer Building. A little bit about myself. I've always liked computers, and I've always wanted to make some YouTube videos. One day I thought, hey, best of both worlds. I usually use computers to make some cool documents, you know, Word, Excel, all the fun stuff. So this is going to be my first computer build, and it's going to be great. By the way, this video was sponsored by Flakes, the only cereal that turns your milk blue and comes with a special prize. Flakes, awesome stuff. By the way, this video was not sponsored by any of these manufacturers. I got recommended to buy all these parts from a guy on Reddit who recommended me to buy all these things. Not really sure what each of these does. It was very expensive. It came out of my pocket. In fact, I had to dig into my savings. Not really sure how I'm gonna eat tomorrow, but hey, you know, I figured this is my first YouTube channel, first episode ever. I figured, why not you get the best bang for your buck, huh? Cause you deserve it. I've never built a computer before, not really sure where to start, but hey, should be fairly straightforward, right? It's like a puzzle piece. Put stuff together here and there where they should belong. You know, how hard could it be? So, without further delay, let's get started!
Well, definitely wasn't as easy as I thought. It was actually a little difficult. I found out during the process that you actually don't need to use a hammer for this, so I showed you the computer build, but I lost the footage. There was a fire, and so this is a new card. It's got pretty rainbows right now, so that's helping a lot. So it still looks cool. It's been a week, still haven't eaten. I could really go for a PB&J right now. Let's just go to the B-roll. Before we get into that, we need to get the obligatory plastic peel. Yeah, so here we go. Just looks great. B-roll. Well, thanks for watching the first episode of Chris Cut Circuit Computer Building. This will also probably be the last video of the series, so maybe you can comment below of what kind of video I should do next, and hopefully I'll be able to do it if I'm still here. So until next time, my name is Chris, and as always, see you later, I guess. should probably go to the ER.
The Brian Tran Show.
Did you guys hear that? It's like a buzzing sound. like a swarm of bees. Just coming from everywhere.